Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI in Lightroom Mobile. All right, as you can see here, when we tap on a picture, we do have this feature called generative AI. Let's say, for example, I'm going to tap on erase right here for the erase button and make sure that generative AI is toggled on. Now, let's say, for example, I wanted to erase this person right here and then change the, for example, this shirt. All right. Now, I'm just going to tap and hold on my screen and then erase. All right, tap and hold and then erase this person right here and then release your finger. All right, it says here removing area using AI. Just wait for it as it won't take long. As you can see, my shirt has been changed. And when we tap on refine, right here we have multiple variations or 3 variations. All right, tap on it. As you can see, it is changing. All right. Now, if you do want to change these variations or type of shirts right here, just go ahead and move this outline. All right. As you can see, I'm just going to move it like a bit and it will reprocess again. Just wait for it. And as you can see, we have 3 variations again. Tap, tap. All right. And again, let's try it like that. And there you go. That's basically how we use AI or the generative AI in Lightroom Mobile. Now, as you can see here, here's the original and here's with generative AI. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.